Hi, this is Ranky Wang. I'm the Senior Product Lead at PaddlePaddle from Baidu. Today I'm going to share with you some latest progress of our deep learning platform, PaddlePaddle, and how it's going to benefit all ONNX users. First, I'll be briefing PaddlePaddle, and then I'll walk through two modules that are closely related to ONNX. As you can see below, PaddlePaddle is not only a framework, but instead it is a universal and comprehensive deep learning platform that covers all applications. So I'll be categorizing into 4 points about its advantages over other frameworks. First of all, PaddlePaddle combines both the benefits of static graph and dynamic graph. It led the users to have the most easy-to-use programming APIs, while at the same time have the best-in-class performance. Secondly, PaddlePaddle is the first framework in the market that supports ultra-large-scale training with trillions of parameters. Thirdly, we have high-performance inference engines over all kinds of environments, from servers, mobile devices, IoT devices, to JavaScript browsers. Lastly, we have tons of industry-leading and sold-out models that are fully open source to developers to play with. When it comes to community, over the last 5 years, we have built the most thriving AI open source community in China, and we are going to the world. Take one of our most popular project, PaddleOCR, for example. We started from scratch last year, and now it is already an 11K star repo with more than 25 multilingual text recognition features for developers all over the world. And we have a sum of more than 71K family stars in our Paddle family, as well as 18K forks with many repos on GitHub trending lists such as Paddle Detection, Paddle Gun, and PaddleX. And we also named the top 2 open source project last year in China by Kaiyuan She. Not to mention that we have more than 5K developers that have contributed to our community. And we have a lot of self-organized study groups in cities and colleges, and had hosted AI contests of over 500 colleges. So aside from our success in community and academic world, PaddlePaddle has also been widely adopted commercially over all kinds of industries, as well as enterprises. Take one of our most leading customers, CATL, for example. CATL is the world's top 3 battery provider. And by adapting our platform and algorithm, CATL successfully improved their efficiency in production by a huge amount and has become one of our biggest customers ever since. So how all this phenomenal success going to work with ONNX? So there are two parts. First of all, will be X2Paddle. So X2Paddle equips ONNX developers to easily convert models into Paddle's format and leverage Paddle's high-performance inference engines. And it supports frameworks from ONNX, TensorFlow, Caffe, PyTorch, and so on. And the other part would be Paddle to ONNX. It enables ONNX users with Paddle's industry-leading models over various applications from NLP, CV to GAN. And both dynamic and static models are supported. So what is X2Paddle is all about? It is about using a simple command to convert all kinds of third-party framework models into Paddle's format with 2 kinds of outputs. The first one will be the inference model for you to deploy on all kinds of inference engines Paddles have. The other will be the Python code for you to do the secondary development. And we have done a little benchmark here. Take our ultra lightweight high performance inference engine PaddleLite, for example. As you can see in below, when it comes to floating models, we're just slightly better than other mainstream frameworks. But when it comes to the bottom right, the quantization models, we have significant performance improvement compared to other frameworks. That's because we have done tons of optimization in OP Fusion in our inference engine as well as our conversion tools. And the last one will be Paddle to ONNX. Paddle to ONNX greatly enrich ONNX ecosystem with Paddle's original and valuable models. So users can easily transform their Paddle models into ONNX formats and to deploy to as many backends as they want, as long as ONNX runtime supports. And beyond that, we have done lots of native integration between Paddle to ONNX and some popular accelerators such as Intel's OpenVINO and NVIDIA's Triton Inference Server, as well as ZTE's AD-Link. So users can seamlessly deploy their Paddle models onto one of these accelerators without pain. And starting from Paddle 2.0, we have native support of Paddle to an ONNX module. That being said, users don't need to download additional Paddle to ONNX module for this kind of conversion. They can just intuitively using our core framework and paddle.onnx.export to have their models. And we have support more than 80 operators, and it is still increasing. And we also support ONNX OP-set version from OP-set version 1 to the latest OP-set version 12. And what's more exciting, we have more than 50 models in various areas from image classification to NLP. And some of our most popular models are supported, such as PPOLO and PPOCR. At the end, we would like to say that Paddle has become a dedicated contributor in ONNX society. And we are also the co-host of this time's ONNX virtual meetup. And we believe that together, we can build an open, win-win, prosperous ecosystem with all ONNX users and partners. So for more information, please figure it out on our GitHub. You can explore more about our projects. And if you think they're beneficial to your projects, please start them. And you can also visit our website for more information. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.